Hello, I'm Ron, the Senior Project Manager at Cominfo. I would like to share a quick success story of our client, 3M Company. 3M, a global powerhouse in manufacturing, embarked on a mission to optimize operations and increase efficiency across its diverse manufacturing plants. Faced with the challenge of disparate systems and manual processes, they sought the expertise of Cominfo for tailored application development to address their specific business-critical needs. Our team of skilled professionals crafted a comprehensive solution that included workflow automation, third-party integration capabilities, unified dashboard, custom reporting, and much more. The outcomes were significant. 3M enjoyed numerous advantages resulting from the implementation, such as increased efficiency, cost savings, enhanced collaboration, and last but not least, improved customer satisfaction. The successful deployment of the .NET application empowered 3M to revolutionize its business operations, realize efficiency improvements, and accomplish strategic goals. If you are seeking assistance in modernizing your data collection application, let's connect and explore how we can be of service.